Hey guys, let's make some money again today. As you can see guys, on my wallet right now I have 11,381 USDT. Okay, and that's equivalent to 1,469,746.72 USDT guys. Remember guys, this video is for educational purpose only, and I do not encourage you it as a financial advice unless you do exactly what I'm doing. So guys, on this video today, I'm going to show you how you can turn your little capital into the same amount. Okay, let me refresh. As I refresh like this, you can see it's real balance and it's not fake guys. You know, some people have fake balances on their Binance, on their Trust wallet, and on their other exchanges. So be very careful with people who trade with the fake balances. But on this one, I'm refreshing and you can see it's a live balance on Binance.com. Okay, so guys, on this video today I will be showing you how to trade crypto arbitrage using Binance and trexbik.com. Crypto arbitrage guys is simply buying on one exchange and then you sell on another exchange. Okay, for example, you can buy USDT at one pegged at $1 on Binance and then you sell it on trexbik.com at 1.2 or 1.3. Okay, that's a profit of 30 cents. So if you do it to $1,000, that is a profit of 300 USD. So you need to have a Trexbik account. This is my account. To have a Trexbik account, you just go to your browser on Google, okay, or let's say on Google, and then you search Trexbik account. Okay, Trexbik, like this, and then you'll see the first one here. This is now the Trexbik. So you need to create account and then you sign up. After you create account, you need to do what guys? You need to buy USDT on your Binance. You need to buy USDT on your Binance. As you can see, I have 11,000 already bought, but I'm not going to trade with all of it because there is no trader who is accepting all that amount. So I'll be trading today with $1,000 and see how much the return will be. So let's do this. So the first step guys, after you have created your account, you need to go to P2P market, and then guys you need to buy USDT. All right, click on buy don't sell, and then you need to go to choose the currency USDT amount, put 1,000 or 100, the one that you have, and then guys you scroll below until you find someone with at least 0.8 US. You see this is 0.9, so we are going to look for someone with the 0.8. 0.8. Let me go back guys. So that's 0.9, 0.9, 0.8. So I'm going to trade with Zara Okunko at 0.8. I'll click on buy and amount I'll put 1,000. You can see I will receive 1,298. After fees I will receive 1,272. So this 272 is the profit after you buy this USDT, and then I'll click proceed purchase. I'll go and pay, and then guys I'll click on confirm order. Okay, it's very easy. So now guys, you can see this is the payment page and the address is here. This is to mean that I have to pay Zara Okonko to the address amount 1,000, because there is no way that this trade will be released without you paying. So I'm going to copy the payment address like this, and then guys I'll go back to assets, and then I'll click send, withdraw crypto USDT. It's now on my Binance, and then I'll paste the address here guys, and then I'll go to TRX, and then guys I'll put amount 1,001.1. That's because 1.1 is $1, is a transaction fee, and then I'll click withdraw, and then guys I'll now confirm. So now guys, I need to put my passkeys. Remember guys, do not show anyone your passkeys. Your passkeys protect your account privacy. And let me hide it. So now guys, you can see the withdrawal is now processing. You can now, I'll click on history. You see the withdrawal is here now going. So the next step guys, I need to scroll down here on my TrexBeak, and then I have to click I have paid. Very easy. So once you click I have paid, now we need to wait for the payment to be detected automatically. If you have sent 1,000, it will be detected. Do not ever expect that it can be detected without you sending the money. Remember guys, this video is for educational purposes only. I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you do exactly what I'm doing. Remember guys to like this video as we wait for the payment to be detected automatically. Like this video, share with your friends, okay? And make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel, my TikTok, my Telegram channel, where I have over 3,000 students trading every day, okay? So now I'm waiting for it to arrive in a few seconds. It's always automatic guys. It's automatic. Once you send the payment, you need to be patient, just about 1 to 2 minutes maximum, and it will be credited. Just a few seconds as we wait for it guys. Oh, it has already been credited, as you can see. Seller confirms completed, and now I need to click done. Remember guys, before I was trading, now I have received how much? Before I had a balance of 200, so I'll click done. You see I had 200, now I have 1473. I have 1473 because before I had only 200. I deposited 1,000. I had 2,000. Now I have 1473. That's 277 in profit. 273 in profit, guys. So the next step, guys, after now you have done your trade like that, it's now the time to withdraw the money to your Binance, and then you can sell to your local currency and make your life better. So I'll click on crypto wallet and then click withdraw, and guys I'll go. You can see guys, there's something here you need to see. Gas credit, I have 24 TRX, enough for a transaction. This is very important. If you don't have TRX in your account, you just go to deposit section and you choose TRX and you send at least 30 USDT. Okay, so the next step guys, now I'll go to withdrawal and I'm going to withdraw 1,220. Let me withdraw 1,215, then I remember with the rest to trade with later, and then I'll continue. Now guys, I need to put my address there. I'll go back to my Binance, deposit crypto, USDT, TRX, copy the address, and then I'll paste the address here, and I'll re-enter the address, and then I'll click review. So now guys, you can see the email verification code has been sent to my email. So I need to go to my email and take the, so this is my verification code. I'll copy the code like this, and then guys I'll be back to my TrexBeak, and then I'll paste that code here like that, and then I'll confirm withdrawal. So now guys, what I'm doing a withdrawal to my wallet, as you can see. So now it's now confirming. You can see these, yes, these are recent withdrawals I've been making here. All these are my recent withdrawals. It only shows the recent withdrawals within 2 days. Yes, so now you can see the withdrawal is now processing, and it's always automatic. Now I'm doing a withdrawal of 1250. They take a fee of 3.5%. Now I will receive 1206. Remember guys, I deposited 1,000, so 206 is my profit home. So I'll click on view on TronScan. You can see the withdrawal is successful here, but it's still confirming, which will take about a minute from now. It's usually automatic. guys. Very automatic. So let's wait for it. It has been sent, guys. The withdrawal has been completed, you can see. So now what I need to do is click on Transcan again, and now you can see it's confirmed here. So now the next step, guys, is to check whether the withdrawal arrived on my Binance. Let me refresh. You can see it's here, it's processing here. I think it's already credited. Beautiful. Now you can see my balance 1206 credited, and my balance now 11,585 on my account, sitting there as profit wise. So I'll go now back, and now you can see I have a balance of 223 ready to trade with also. And guys, remember you can also trade using trading bots on Trexbeak. There are free bots here you can use. This one is called the Phoenix Grid bot. You can make at least 13.9% every day. The Commerce DCA bot, Cryptographer Trend, Bits Gap Futures Grid, and etc. You can also trade using sports trading. Okay, you can also trade using P2P, and you can also trade using futures. You can trade futures. Okay, you can trade futures here on trexbeak.com. Remember, guys, trexbeak.com is an exchange regulated with over 1 million users in the world, so you need not to worry a lot. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and may you have a wonderful week ahead as you watch more videos from me every day that I'll be uploading. Cheers.